Good day to all my happy campers out there. Ted Loney here with another fantabulous trade in this 2017 Vengeance from Forest River. 420 V12, outside speakers, blue accents including the snazzy blue awning arms, awning lights. Going from the garage and to work our way for it, shall we? One for washer dryer, and the Happy Jack bunks, garage AC, patio option, lower bunks slash bench seating, and on this particular floor plan, the bathroom is next to the garage. And as you'll see soon, we open up tremendous living space in the bedroom. But first, through the living room, booth dinette, recliners, little mirror action, nice good size, high sense residential fridge, convection microwave stove top. The blue accents continue with the lighting. Nice island kitchen. Low generator hours. Of course, we'll put it through an entire service as we complete the PDI check-in here at RV Station Katy. Of course, you can reach me at 713-443-0670. As I do look forward to hearing from you all soon. I am, as always, here to help. Ambience in the bedroom and just extensive living area. Made for a king bed. We'll put a foam mattress in, or you can supply your own. I do look forward to hearing from you soon towards happy camping.